Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to update the ChatGPT app on your mobile phone step by step. Keeping your ChatGPT app updated ensures you get the latest features, fastest performance, improved security, and the best experience with AI image generation, voice chats, ChatGPT-4 Turbo, and more. This tutorial works for both Android and iPhone devices, and I will cover you how to update your app. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. Updating your ChatGPT app regularly helps you avoid bugs and gives you access to the newest tools and features OpenAI releases. So now the first step you have to take in order to update your ChatGPT app is to go over to your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device, or you can go over to your App Store if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device. In this tutorial, I'm using an Android device. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on my Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store or your Apple Store to open it. So let me tap on my Play Store. So once your Play Store or your App Store opens up, what you have to do right now is to search for ChatGPT. So let me go ahead now to tap on the search bar below. So let me tap on it. Then let me tap on the search icon at the top. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to type in ChatGPT. So let me type it in, ChatGPT. Then let me tap on search. Right there is the ChatGPT app. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it so you can see it more clearly. Let me open up the page. Right there, you can see the ChatGPT app more clearly. You can see the app logo, you can see the name right there. And as you can see there, the app needs to be updated. You can see it is out of date. That's why you can see that button right there written update. So for you to update your ChatGPT so you can get the latest version, what you have to do is to tap on update. So let me go ahead now to tap on update right away. So guys, now you can see the ChatGPT app have started updating. So it's now downloading the latest version of ChatGPT. So after it's done downloading, it's going to start installing. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see 100% updated. So now let's wait for a few seconds. It's going to be the latest version is going to be installed. You can see. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to update the ChatGPT app on my mobile device. This is how you can easily do it. So the next step now is to go ahead now to open it up. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on open. You can see right here the ChatGPT app is opening. This is the updated version, so I can go ahead now to use the latest features and the latest AI tool. So guys, this is how you can be able to update your ChatGPT app on your mobile device, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.